I had a phone call from a customer. He rang me from Munich. He said, I have a problem. We got 142 transits to seal off. It's an urgent matter. I made a plan, went there with 2 guys and sealed all the 142 transits, size GH6, full with cables in 2.5 days, and the job was done. I've been installing Roxtec for 7 years now. I do like installing Roxtec a lot. It's the diversity and the versatility of the product that can close every possible transit. I've been installing Roxtec in different industries. For example, landing stations, substations, food industry, airports and petrochemical industries. So Roxtec is actually, you can use Roxtec for many locations. Roxtec gives you the possibility to peel the blocks on the right size according to the cable size. You get the tips and the tricks, you watch some videos of course, and yeah, like I said, your own skill set. For me, installing Roxtec is quite easy. It's an easy job for me. The speed of the installation is actually a thing you teach yourself along the job. I don't know if it's just me, but the experience of installing teaches me how to handle cables and do different maneuvers and movements to get the blocks and modules in the right place. Yes, I do like to speed up the installation of Roxtec because I always want to set my personal record over and over again. The situations I get myself in are sometimes dirty locations, sandy, muddy, a lot of water. What I do when I install Roxtec is keep the transits clean, clean the walls where I have to apply on, and keep the blocks clean before I install them, so I can have a clean result. The result is clean as well. Yeah, the only thing you will see is lubricant. Roxtec is very cost efficient for the customer. If they won't apply that on their locations, they get the result can be a lot of water and dirt coming into the substation. They don't want the water and dirt in there because the condensation will affect the components inside the substation that can cause a fire. So installing a transit is preventing that. You can save space, you can keep the substations nice and tidy, all the cables outlined through the substation. I like the flexibility of the Roxtec products, but also the color. Because as you enter a substation, landing station, it doesn't matter where you are and the transit is needed, you will see blue. And blue means Roxtec.